Good morning. Here we are out in the gym. We are going to attempt a leg workout. I think I mentioned yesterday we swapped our leg and upper body workout days. Over the weekend on Saturday when I did the ab burner and went out on the jog and came back, sat down for a little bit and the old meniscus was hung up and must have gotten out of shape when I did the jog because it irritated it a bit. Still a little bit sore, but we're gonna hit some leg work anyway. And if it's, most of the leg work I can do isolated, so I'll do right leg for sure. And left leg, we'll see what we got on the main lift is leg press. So I'll do those single leg and I will keep my right leg with my left leg when I do the left leg. Actually, I may do double and just do both legs and I'm doing really lightweight. So we're just going through the motions today, make sure we get something going. I'm not gonna sit and do nothing. It is still a little bit ginger. It felt pretty good this morning, but it's a little bit ginger back there, a little bit sore. So we're just gonna take it easy, get some weight working done. Like I say, we got a main lift, the leg press, then we've got calf raises. We're gonna do those concurrently. And then after that, we've got Romanian deadlift, then we got leg extensions and leg curls, and leg extensions and leg curls. We'll see what they feel like on the left leg, but most likely it'll just be a right leg work for those isolated on the right leg, and we will skip the left leg on those, but we'll see. So anyway, we got that in front of us, then I'll go out on just a short walk and walk only, just trying to get this thing back, and hopefully next week it'll be back to normal. We'll see what happens. So anyway, let's get this longevity training in so we can meet age with grace, folks. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. Let's hit it. All right, got the old leg workout done. Actually, after doing the leg workout, the back of the leg feels a little better. I wouldn't say it's normal, but it's not like catching like it was before. So I don't know if some of that exercise stretched some of those muscles out and kind of lap that meniscus back into place or something. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see what it feels like when I get down the road, you know, later today or tomorrow morning. Hopefully it won't be worse. But yeah, I did all of the isolation lifts with both legs instead of the single legs. So leg press, I normally do isolation, but did them with both legs, and honestly, it wasn't terribly bad. Of course, I didn't get full flex down. Stopped before I got full flex, so I could make sure and just save on it and not insult it too much. So probably the worst one were the calf raises. Calf raises probably insulted it more than anything. Everything else, if anything, I thought the Romanian deadlifts were going to aggravate it a bit, but actually after each Romanian deadlift, it felt better. So the way it stretched out the hamstring and the glute and the calves probably maybe provided some relief on that old ligament, whatever's holding that meniscus. And anyway, I don't know how all that stuff's put together. I just know something's caught up. So, but anyway, yeah, that, and then the leg extensions and leg curls, I thought those would be really bad too, but honestly they weren't bad, and they even felt better after those. So anyway, we got them done. Very light workout, hardly any intensity at all. I'd say I did break a small sweat though, but the intensity was pretty low. But at least we got through it. So yeah, then went for a walk, 1 point something, over a mile. But yeah, and it was slow. So I didn't want to stretch out and then kick my foot out and end up straightening it out too far and causing something to go backwards. So anyway, feeling pretty good now though. We'll see what happens after we sit, once we sit at work and get up an hour later and see how it feels. So I know that's a lot of times what happens. You sit down and things kind of settle in, and then you stand up and all those muscles are sore. But anyway, we'll see. All right, so we are done. We'll be back out tomorrow for some kind of stretch routine, short stretch routine. I probably will not jog this week. I don't want to insult it. I don't know if that wasn't what caused all the aggravation. It may have been did something during the ab burner, and then I jogged on it and caused too much aggravation to it. Oh, I don't know. But anyway, we'll be back out tomorrow for some sort of stretch routine on our active rest day. So you guys take care, have a great Tuesday, and be safe. This is Sojourner Vision. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right, we'll see you. Be safe.